5 mini chat flows that will grow your Amazon business. If you're an Amazon seller and you're trying to dabble with the messenger bots to actually utilize them to grow your Amazon business, start getting some of that customer data so that you can retarget them with some messages, chat them up, roll them out to your other products and cross-sell them and upsell them your other products on Amazon, then you're gonna wanna stick around, keep watching this video because I'm about to give you 5 messenger bot flows that you need to get installed into your messenger bot ASAP. So stay tuned. All right, so before we jump into those 5 messenger bot flows, just want to tell you about a couple quick things that you need to know. Oh my gosh, am I a rapper? Am I rapping? No, just kidding. Okay, anyway, so the first thing is a free course. Now, I created a free digital marketing course that's going to teach you how to build messenger bots, Facebook ads, how to write sales copy, and you also get a couple free templates, like a messenger bot template and a ClickFunnels template. Get access to this free course by going to freebosslifestyle.com either right now or after this video. The second thing is if you want to just outsource this stuff and you don't have the time to actually be building your own messenger bots, running your own Facebook ads, and really scaling certain parts of your business, then reach out to me and my team, book a call with me. We can talk about how we can grow your business and help you increase your revenue, bring in more customers, all that kind of stuff. To book a call with me, head over to evolvemedia.agency either right now or after this video. Now lastly, if you're trying to drive external traffic to your Amazon product pages, then you gotta be using a tool like Pixelfy.me. Pixelfy is basically a smart URL generator, and the 2 really cool things that I love about Pixelfy is that 1, it will open the Amazon app. So if they're clicking on that link on their mobile phone from an email, from a Facebook ad, an Instagram ad, or any kind of place that they're on their mobile phone, and if they have the Amazon app installed in their phone, then it will open up that Amazon app, and that's gonna allow them to already be signed in, and it's gonna greatly increase your conversion rates. So I love Pixelfy for that reason. Also, it improves your product page rankings. So when they click on that link, there's gonna be some keyword attribution when they make that purchase, and that's gonna help your rankings with your keywords. Now, if you wanna get access to Pixelfy and save 10% in the process, then you can use the promo code SAVE10, that's SAVE10, or you can go to the link pixelfy.me/save10. Visit that URL, sign up for your free account, or if you already have a current Pixelfy account, then use the promo code SAVE10, and that should get you a 10% savings each month that you have the software. All right, so let's jump into these messenger bot flows, okay? So the first bot that you need to get is a 5-star reviews bot, okay? So what this does is after you have them as a customer, this is post-purchase, right? It's not gonna get you a customer, but once you have them as a customer, then you wanna target them with Facebook or Instagram ads. How you actually target your Amazon customers with Facebook ads, if you don't know, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're not watching these videos that I put out, then you need to, because I'm constantly talking about a tool called ZonHero. ZonHero allows you to export out your Amazon fulfillment reports and upload them into your Facebook Business Manager. You can upload this data right into your Facebook Pixel, and then you can run conversion campaigns optimizing on that data. You can also track to see which of your ads led to an actual purchase on Amazon. So you can see that kind of targeting. You can also target your Amazon customers with ads. So you can create custom audiences from that Amazon data with your ASIN, or if you want to just use all your customer data, then you can target them with ads, and then you can link them into your messenger bot, and then you would have a messenger bot flow, which is going to chat them up, ask them questions, see how they liked their actual purchase, how they liked the product, did it give them results, and then if you want to actually do some kind of filtering and only give people the link to your review, to the review place that have a happy experience, then you can do that, or you can just give everybody a link to go ahead and review your product that they purchased from you. And with a special link that you use from Pixelfy, you can have it pre-populate with a 5-star review. So when they click on that link, it's gonna open up the Amazon app for them if they're on mobile, and it will automatically fill in a 5-star review. They can just click submit if they wanted to, or they can add some text, add some photos, and things like that. So all you need to do to create this actual bot is go into ManyChat, create the bot, or reach out to somebody like me and I can help you build this. Again, go to evolvemedia.agency. Me and my team can help you build out this actual message flow. But you want to go to Pixelfy then, create that link, and then put in your ASIN, and then whenever somebody clicks on that link after the purchase, it will basically it'll link them into like their Amazon order history, and it will pre-populate that 5-star review for them. So tools that you need in order to make this many chat flow happen is ZonHero. To get access to ZonHero, go to getzonhero.com. You need a Facebook ad account. You need to be able to run Facebook ads to target your Amazon customers. You need a Pixelfy URL and a Pixelfy account. And then you need a messenger bot. Now, I recommend using ManyChat. They are the best ones out there because you want to be able to put them into this, confirm the purchase, talk to them a little bit, and then link them over to leave a review. So that is message flow number 1. Chatbot number 2 for Amazon sellers is a rank with rebates. Now this is basically you giving a rebate to that first time customer. So this is you getting the purchase first. So you're running a Facebook ad, you're telling people, hey, get this product for 100% off or 50% off, 60% off, whatever amount you want to actually rebate them on the back end after they make that purchase. Then you want to drive them into your messenger bot. In the messenger bot, you can either give them instructions on how they need to then go find your product. So doing kind of like a search, find, buy type of campaign that's going to give you keyword rankings. So if they search a certain keyword phrase in Amazon, they go find your exact product, they purchase it, then they come back to your Amazon bot and say, hey, I've purchased it, they click a button, then you do want to make them wait 30, 35 days, outside of that return period. Then you can go ahead and process the rebate using PayPal, Venmo, anything like that. You can do this automatically, like you can actually automate this entire process using a tool like seller.tools. If you want to save 10% with signing up with the seller.tools account, then use the promo code TAKE10OFF. Seller.tools basically will pull, using the API, it'll pull their Amazon order number, order information, and then it will confirm that they actually made the purchase. Then you can also have a credit, like you can put money with your seller.tools account, and then it'll go ahead and pull from that money and basically send them the money all automated through PayPal using seller.tools. So it's pretty awesome. But you don't really necessarily need to do that. You can also just do it the manual way, which is definitely more time intensive. You'll have to confirm their order, and then so you want to have a VA do this. But basically, you get sales, you get full price buys, and then you refund them on the back end, however much you want to refund them. Another software that you can use to set this up is rebatekey.com. You can basically create a little post on RebateKey, and then you can get some rebates going through that. So that is Messenger Bot Flow number 2. All right, Messenger Bot Flow number 3, that's 3 in Spanish, is to distribute promo codes. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do, run a Facebook ad, whether it's to cold traffic or to your current existing customer base, because you're using Zon Hero and you're targeting your current Amazon customers with ads. If you're not targeting your current customers and you just target cold traffic, then what you want to do is run a Facebook ad, use the JSON growth tool that you're going to pull from ManyChat. That's going to make it so that when they click on that Facebook ad, it's going to immediately send them a message through Facebook Messenger. In that ad, you're gonna wanna say something like, get X percentage off on buying this product right now. So you're gonna link them over into the Messenger Bot Flow. You can chat them up, you can ask them different questions, you can give them some more sales copy, show them some images, provide a little bit more value. You can even ask for their email address. Maybe you wanna make that as a requirement in order to get this promo code. And then ultimately you deliver the promo code, you link them over to your Amazon product page using Pixelfy, why not? And then that's gonna open up the Amazon app. Now with Pixelfy, a thing that I didn't mention is that you can actually create an instructions page. So if you wanna do like this promo codes thing with a search, find, buy, type of strategy so that you can get some more keyword juice, you can actually say, okay, go ahead and use this promo code to save 35%. And then when they click on that button, then it's gonna go to an instructions page saying, okay, search this keyword, look for this exact product. It'll literally show them like a little image of what your Amazon product listing will look like in the search results. And then it's gonna link them over to the Amazon search results. They're gonna scroll for a little bit. Hopefully your product is not too deep in the search results, and then they'll go ahead and purchase it, and then they'll purchase it using your promo code, like the 35% off. So you're getting a cold, first time customer, you're getting keyword rankings, and then on the back end, then you can run your review messenger bot to get them to actually leave you a review. So there you go, Messenger Bot number 3 is gonna help you with getting Messenger Bot subscribers as well, so that you can hit them up later and you can either get them to buy again, you can give them a different product to purchase, you can get them to do the review funnel like I was talking about. So yeah, that is Messenger Bot Flow number 3. Now this next Messenger Bot Flow, number 4, is an order status plus promo code or rebate type of message flow. Okay, so here's a quick fun fact. 81% of customers track their order status 2 or more times during the fulfillment process. And yes, even though Amazon is like super quick with their fulfillments, people are still gonna wanna track their order status. So here's a really cool way that you can do it in the Messenger bot flow instead of having them just go to Amazon to check their order status. Basically what you wanna do is you can put it as a welcome message or in your menu or in a certain part of your Messenger bot flow where it can be check order status or estimated ship date and things like that. And using this software called seller.tools, that's gonna connect the API. So basically you're connecting your ManyChat with your seller.tools account, which your seller.tools account is connected to your Amazon seller account. So it's all through API and it's all instantaneous. But basically when they click that button, an API call is gonna be sent from ManyChat to seller.tools, and it's gonna be then sending it to your Amazon account, pulling your actual order information. So order status, if it's been shipped, if it hasn't been shipped, you need to be able to put in your order ID. So again, this is just a fun little way. Typically I would recommend just trying to push them into other more sales generating opportunities, but this could be an excuse for you to maybe chat them up with support, see how they may be liking their past products that they've bought, or just kind of get them into your Messenger bot flow to then be able to give them some better support and then be able to get some reviews down the line. So that is Messenger bot flow number 4. All right, Messenger bot flow number 5. Now this is by far my favorite Messenger bot flow. It is the most effective, and I saved it the best for last because, well, gives you something to look forward to, right? So this one is the giveaway campaign. Now this is so effective because what you wanna do is, first of all, it's so effective because you're gonna be building multiple assets in the process. You're gonna be getting them as a Messenger bot subscriber, email subscriber. You're gonna get them into a Facebook group. You can get customers from it by giving them a promo code at the very end once you announce the winner. So it's pretty awesome. Basically, what you wanna do is create a bundle. So create a prize. We estimate, we recommend that it should be valued between $200 to $500 because it attracts people with higher incomes. If it's only valued at $50, $100, people with disposable income aren't gonna wanna waste their time on going through this Messenger bot flow. So put it at a bigger value. You're gonna wanna use the JSON growth tool, and you're gonna wanna use Facebook to Messenger ads. So the Facebook ad is gonna say, enter to win this prize package, and then it's gonna have a picture of that prize. They click on that, it's gonna link them into the Messenger bot, which is then gonna collect their email address for a second entry in the actual giveaway campaign. You can also ask for their phone number if you want, if that's your style and you want to do some SMS marketing to them. That's totally optional, but I definitely would recommend getting their email address from them. And then you can say stuff like, do you want an additional entry by liking and sharing the actual post that you initially saw? Then you can link them back over to a specific post. You can say, go ahead and join this Facebook group because that's where we're going to be announcing the winner of this entire giveaway. So then you want to link them over to a Facebook group. People will be joining the Facebook group during the 2 or 3 week time frame that you're running this giveaway campaign, and then a lot of people are going to join it at the very end because when you want to announce the winner, you're going to basically say, hey everybody, you're going to send out a message blast and an email blast to everybody that entered saying, hey, we just announced the winner in our Facebook group. Click here to go join that group now and see if that winner is you. Now what you definitely want to do, which I highly recommend you do, is design a nice little square image showing a picture of the winner, the prize pack, and then in that post that you're going to pin to the top of the group as an announcement, put in your promo code, a link, a Pixelfy link to your actual Amazon product pages or your Amazon store, because a lot of people are going to want to see, is this winner a real person? If it's a real person and maybe you're even tagging them in the post, people are gonna have more trust for your brand. If you never announce a winner, people are just gonna be like, yeah, I entered that giveaway and I don't really know if I won or not, or did they even announce a winner at all? So you definitely wanna announce a winner and make it very public, like this is the person that won. Then you want to say, hey, as a thank you for everybody entering the giveaway, we just want to give you a 20% off promo code. So you give them a promo code inside that main winner announcement post right there. And usually what we see with this giveaway campaign is we're getting opt-ins for around 30 to 50 cents. Like cost per user entrant is 30 to 50 cents. And again, we're building multiple assets with that. So email, messenger, Facebook group, Facebook custom audiences, getting customers from the actual promo code. So It is definitely very powerful. I personally love this giveaway campaign. If you want to book a call with me to run one of these giveaway campaigns and get a lot of your Amazon customers into your Messenger bot list, into your email list, then book a call with me by going to evolvemedia.agency. If this video brought you value and you learned something new, please do hit the thumbs up button. It really helps tell YouTube that I'm giving some value here, and it's gonna help rank my videos higher so that I can help other people with growing their Amazon business and increasing sales. So would much appreciate a little thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions at all for me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.